welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, nice to meet you. I'm Scarlett. Today, day one, I am actually starting my day out with a workout. I'll do this like every day, so if you know, you know. But this is like my first week vlog. We're gonna start these weekly vlogs, so I'm gonna tell y'all what I do in a week. So yeah, starting today, I am going to work out. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to actually show y'all my workouts, then I can do that. But just for now, I'm gonna this is my workout fit, just my New Balances. But yup, these headphones, I love these so much. The noise cancellations is top tier. And so I'm about to get to this gym and work out, so I'll be right back. That was good. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to shower, wash my face, do all that good stuff, and I'll probably show y'all a little bit of my skin routine. And I don't think I'm gonna do my hair on this vlog today, but I will definitely show y'all my skincare, and then I'll just put on something really quick because I have some errands to run today. I need to go grocery shopping. I'm thinking about I need to find a bucket hat, y'all. If y'all know where a good, sturdy, nice bucket hat is, I need y'all to tell me because I am in desperate need. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I need to go grocery shopping for sure. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, y'all, so I'm all showered. I just have, a blue top and some jeans on, nothing crazy. But I wanted to go ahead and do my face because I was gonna do my hair first, but my face is getting dry. So y'all, this is my holy grail. And Dollar General actually. And I stick by this one because I think it was my 10th grade year in high school. I had I burned myself with like a curling iron. You can't even see the scar, but it was like somewhere right here. Literally the lightest part of my face. And one of my teammates, because I played basketball in college, if you didn't know, one of my teammates was like, go get this, aloe vera gel at Dollar General and just put it on every day. And I'm like, girl, there's no way. I need some chapstick. I was like, girl, there's no way that it's gonna come back to my natural skin and you won't tell. She's like, yeah. I think she had like a scar before and it just like snapped back. So I was like, okay, that's all I need to see. So I put this on, I start this, or sometimes I start with, I wash my face in the shower. Today, actually, there's a soap that I use. It helps with blemishes so that it evens my tone. Or if I wash my face when I'm out the shower, I use this. Or I also start with a primer. I don't spray, some people start in there, they wet their face. I don't do that. So after this, I'm just going to and I see people do this multiple times, so this is a new addition to my skincare. So I do it at least twice. And what it's supposed to do is it evens the pH of your skin. 5.5. And then after that, I go in with my vitamin C. We all need vitamin C, it's good. Vitamin C. Especially now that I'm in Florida, Miami area. It's sunny all day, every day, so I need to make sure that I'm really protecting my skin. Yeah, I just got on this one too. I'm all for, educational purpose of why it applies to your skin and stuff. So Ugh. My hair is like sticking to my face. Okay, and then after that, even though I'm pretty young and I don't have like bags, I still like this one for, what is it? I guess precaution. A preventative. This is a preventative step, so I won't have to deal with it later on in life as much. Okay, but sorry, I didn't know if I told y'all, but survey. And then this is the moisturizer I use on my skin, and it's very, very, very moisturizing. I literally use this much. Hold on, I'll show you. I guess I use like that much, maybe a little less, for my whole face, because it's like not what I put on my chin, but on my neck. Cause look at it, it's like a lot. I know I'm not the only one that when you buy a moisturizer, you have to put Vaseline on like after it, or like hours after, because your face is a little dry still. So it's like, what is my moisturizer doing here? So like, I don't know why, but I like not a thick consistency of my moisturizer, but I wanted enough to make me feel like something is on my face, you know? And that is what this one does. Look, this is really close and personal. Yeah, need I say more? And then of course, sunscreen. And I don't put a lot of this on either, because it's like, it turns like colors a little bit. So I'm like, yo, I don't need to do it. See what I'm saying? So a lot of people miss these areas of their face, and their nose, your ear feels exposed a lot. Try not to be so rough for my face, because preventative steps here. We don't want anything in the long run. It's good to pat your face if you don't want wrinkles or bumpy skin. So that's the skincare. I'll be back when my hair is done, because unless y'all want to see a video like that, y'all let me know what I do to my hair. Also, this is raw Indian. Oh, I just love it so much. Okay, so my hair is done. Right now, actually, I'm about to look in the refrigerator to see anything that we might need to restock on or get. It's looking like milk. It's looking like honey. It's looking like over there. Yeah, it's looking like milk, honey, some sweet potatoes. You want juice? There's plenty in the car. Eggs. We can get one more egg. Literally making my to-do list as I'm recording. I think that's, I don't have to get too much. I got a lot, especially in the freezer, so I don't need to get, I got chicken. I have chicken. I don't have wings, but breasts, that's good enough. I need to get some salmon, because now we have fish and no more salmon. Any more snacks? No. So it should be pretty light. I need to get some water as well, but it won't be too much today, so we love that. But before, I need to eat, so we got some salmon and we got some sweet potatoes, but I ate all the rice the other day, so we need to make some more rice. So let's do that. forward to my little tea. I mean, it's nothing too crazy. It's just some honey, some ginger, and the most important, let me grab it. But I might put some little bit of turmeric in there too. So we made it, Sprouts Farmer Market, and I'm gonna just pick up a few things, nothing too crazy, but I am looking for some alkaline water from here, so let's just get in here. They don't have it. I either get really lucky and they have it, or I don't get lucky at all and it looks like this. I'm gonna get the big kinds, honey. I got some peaches, some avocado. Okay, that was the rest there. Next stop, Walmart. Okay, so I got some milk, some eggs, some season, and some wipes. So that's it. Okay, y'all, we're home, and I don't think I'm gonna unpack on today's vlog. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey, y'all. So today we are organizing my refrigerator. Don't mind, we're in the background, but let's just get on into it, unboxing, because it's gonna look a mess, y'all. Just don't do too much, it looks a mess. much better. So much better, so much organized. Now everything is in the same category. Every similar thing in the same area. It was easily accessible. Alright, y'all, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was as therapeutic and soothing as it was for me. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, keep that post notification bell on, share, do all those great things, and I'll see you guys in the next video.